We'll guide you through how to set a reminder on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've got to go and do something like go out for a walk or drop something off. A reminder can be a really great way of remembering to go and do this. So we're going to guide you through step by step on how this is done. Make sure it's a full guide and don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. Without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So what we need to do is you want to go and swipe up as we need to go and use an app. Press search at the top and you want to go and type in calendar like so. Now the app we're looking for looks like this. This is the Google Calendar. If you haven't got it on your device, open up the Play Store, search it, and you can go and download it and install it, and then we can go and open it up. Now what we're going to do is you can come down to the bottom right and you're going to find the plus, which you can click. Then what you need to do is at the top here is you want to go and select task, and you can then go and type in what it is. So I could say walk. Then what you can do is you can go and scroll down and choose the date. So you can tap there, a calendar will appear and you can choose when it is. Let's say it was for tomorrow, I could press OK. And you can then go and choose the time. So you can go and drag around here and go and adjust it. I could make it that time there, and you can then make it minutes as well. I'll just press OK. Choose if it repeats, so I could tap there. If it's for every day, you can select that there, which is really convenient. Add a deadline if you want, and you can add details. And then what you can do is go and press save, and that's it. So that will then go off and remind you that you've got to go and do it. If you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.